All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen, bringing another one to you. What are we doing today? We're doing a water penetration test between the Cimarron Pistolero and the Judge Taurus with the 45 Colt Hornady Critical Defense. We're going to see what the penetration through the water jugs, which one makes it further with the standard cylinder. Goes up against the shorter barrel with cylinder gap. So let's just take a look and see how it goes down. Water penetration catch. We got the ocean spray bottle up front, and then we're seeing how many jugs the penetration goes through. 1, 2, 3. Alright, here we go on round 1 on the water penetration test. We got it in through the first jug. We have jug number 2. I marked the tops, so we ain't even got to pick up number 1. Right in there. Now remember, when opening up a water jug, when you shoot, always face it away from you, because that's why. So, through the Pistolero Cimarron, yes, this is the Smoky Oak Tactical Blue Jeans holster. It matches your blue jeans right there, easy access. And there you go. That is the Smoky Oak Tactical Blue Jean holster. So it matches all your clothes that you need. It looks just like the jeans you're wearing. Smoky Oak, makers of fine products. Anyways, here we go. Through the Pistolero Hornady Critical Defense. Nice. Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is through the Judge. We have penetration of the ocean spray. How much difference are we in? Well, we're in through the first jug. Throwing on the trash pile. Now we're into the second jug. The same as the Pistolero with the longer barrel and the standard cylinder, and it doesn't have that gap like the Judge does over there. So let's just take a look at the bullet. Went just a hair low, but that's okay. Through the Judge. Still not bad. Alright, here we go. It's a different tripod, so if it vibrates a little bit. Well, here we go. Through the Pistolero and through the Judge, we have the expansion of the two bullets. They both went through the same amount of jugs. So, as you can see, there is a comparison, a noticeable difference between the two. The Pistolero with the no gap in the cylinder, which this has a gap in the cylinder, expanded more. Now, for y'all, we're going to bust out our, I need a medallion. We're going to bust out our super scientific measuring device here and just get an eyeball view. Alright, this is looking, the first is looking at roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 of an inch through the Pistolero. Now, through the Judge is halfway between an 1/8, so a 1/16 over a, it's a 1/16 over half an inch. To give y'all an idea, a little over half an inch, 1/16 over half an inch. So there you go. There is the difference. Same penetration between the two at roughly 7-10 yards. And there's no difference with the cylinder gap on the penetration. There is a difference on the expansion though. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's my face down here. Hey, how y'all doing?